Adding a credit card on Toptal is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your payments efficiently. Follow these steps to successfully add your credit card. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Toptal website and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account where you want to add the credit card. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Payment or Billing section, which is usually found in the main menu or under Account Settings. Step 3. Select Add Payment Method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter credit card details. Fill in the required fields with your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Double check the information for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your credit card details, make sure to save the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your credit card has been successfully added to your account. By following these steps, you can easily add a credit card to your Toptal account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Toptal support for assistance.